Hello subscriber, today we are with a new technical video why the link is provided in a neutral of any AC circuit and fuse in a phase of any of a AC circuit. So before I even started my topic, please keep subscribe and support to the technical engineering, and also watch the video till the end to understand the properly question and answers about the technical things. In other words, the way the link is used in linking is used in a neutral and not for a phase. Link is provided at a neutral common point in the circuit from which various connections are taken for individual. Means the neutral is always common and link is provided in there, and there has been as a looping, used as a looping control circuit, and so it is given in a link form to withstand high amperes. But in case of a fuse in a phase of a AC circuit, it is designed such that the fuse rating is calculated for a particular circuit's load. It is clearly that the fuse or any breaker has been installed according to their load utilization. Normally in house wiring, the different breakers are used: 10 ampere, 32 ampere, 22 ampere, and other has been used. But in a large industry, there should be a different thing. Have a variable while or a variable adjuster system. Means there should be according to adjusted according to their percentage. But in the case of a fuse, the AC circuit is designed such as the fuse rating in a calculated by a particular circuit like a load. Only so if you have a malfunctioning happen, the fuse connected in a particular control circuit alone within a blown off. Means if any fault or any kind of a mishaps or malfunctioning has been done, then there should be tripping of a fuse, not your neutral has been burnt out. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and support to the technical engineering, and also press the bell icon to get the more videos like this. Thanks for